2023 tax refund. We are going to go over the timeline for you to get your refund, as well as reasons for rejected direct deposits. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back for another update. This information is being shared from irs.gov. You have completed your 2022 tax return. The IRS has accepted it. Now the waiting game begins. To check the status of your refund, go to irs.gov/refunds or use the free IRS to go app 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Information about your refund will generally be available within 24 hours after the IRS receives your e-file return, or 4 weeks after you file a paper return. But if you file Form 8379 with your tax return, it states allow 14 weeks, 11 weeks if you file electronically before checking your refund status on the Where is My Refund tool. The IRS cannot issue refunds before mid-February 2023 for tax returns that claim the Earned Income Credit or the Additional Child Tax Credit, and that is due to the PATH Act. This delay applies to the entire refund and not just the portion associated with those credits. So if you claim any of the credits, even if you file early, remember you cannot receive your refund until mid-February. To use Where is My Refund, you must have a copy of your 2022 tax return handy. You will need to enter the following information from your tax return: your social security number or your individual taxpayer identification number, your filing status, and the exact whole dollar amount of your refund in order to get a refund response. Now, Where is My Refund will provide an actual personalized refund date as soon as the IRS process your tax return and approve it. Updates to your refund status are made once a day, usually at night. You can check as often as you like, but remember the IRS monitors the traffic on the website. So if you overuse the system, you can be blocked for 24 hours. If you don't have internet access, you can also call 1-800-829-1954 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for automated refund information. All right. Also, it states here that their phone and walk-in assisters can research the status of your refund only if it has been 21 days or more since you filed electronically, or more than 6 weeks since you mailed your paper return. So you can also schedule in-person appointments to check the status of your 2023 tax refunds if it has been 21 days or more, or 6 weeks after you file your 2022 tax return. Do not send in a copy of your return unless asked to do so. To get a refund, you must generally file your return within 3 years from the date the return was due, and that is including any extension. Where is My Refund does not track refunds that are claimed on amended tax return. You have to check the Where is My Amended tool to get the status of your amended return. Also, refund information is available in Spanish at irs.gov/Spanish, or you can call 1-800-829-1954 for Spanish as well. Now, here we are for reasons your direct deposit could be rejected, and that is if any of these specific situation apply. Like, for instance, you are asking to have a joint refund deposited into an individual account and your financial institution does not allow that. The IRS states here that they aren't responsible if a financial institution rejects a direct deposit. Also, another reason, the name on your account doesn't match the name on the refund, and your financial institution won't allow a refund to be deposited unless the name on the refund matches the name on the account. Another reason, 3 direct deposits of tax refunds already have been made to that particular account or prepaid debit card, as well as you haven't given a valid account number or any numbers or letters on lines 35B through 35D are crossed out, which are crossed out or whited out. Also, the IRS isn't responsible, it states, for loss refund if you enter incorrect account information. You must check with your financial institution to get the correct routing and account number and to make sure your direct deposit will be accepted. So make sure when you are completing your 2022 tax return that you double check, triple check all of this particular information to make sure your direct deposit is not rejected by your financial institution, which will cause a delay in you getting your refund, because then you would have to wait on a paper check. All right, so make sure to comment, ask any questions, share any information with your fellow taxpayers, and of course subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for all of the information that matters to you most, because I am doing the research so you do not have to. And I will see every one of you again very, very soon.